Finding a reputable credit repair company can be challenging, as there are many companies out there that make false promises or engage in fraudulent practices. Here are some steps you can take to find a trustworthy credit repair company. Research the company's reputation, look for reviews and ratings from previous customers on websites like the Better Business Bureau, Trustpilot, and Google. Make sure to read both positive and negative reviews to get a balanced perspective. Check for accreditation. Look for a credit repair company that is accredited by reputable organizations, such as the National Association of Credit Services Organizations, the National Foundation for Credit Counseling, or the Financial Counseling Association of America. Verify their credentials. Check if the credit repair company is registered with your state's Attorney General's office or Department of Financial Services. You can also verify their credentials with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Ask for references, request references from the credit repair company, and follow up with them to hear about their experience. Check their fees and services. Make sure you understand the company's fees and services before you sign up. Avoid companies that ask for large upfront fees or promise to remove accurate negative information from your credit report. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions about the credit repair process and the company's experience. A reputable credit repair company should be willing to answer your questions and provide clear explanations. By taking these steps, you can help ensure that you find a reputable credit repair company that can help you improve your credit score and financial health.